Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI, currently ranked at 164 with a market cap of about $286 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $141 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? And so for YFI for the day, we are up about in the last 24 hours, we are up about 1.4%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We have the 4 hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source. So right here for YFI, as you can see, we have been bullish right there from the lows, the 5,000. We rode this push even right then into these $15,000 level, right? As you can see right here, push up about 177%. Remember the famous day I told you guys to take profit, and as you can see, we took profit and saw that push to the downside. But currently, we have been seeing this huge consolidation, and YFI seems to have this kind of consolidation before we see some sort of huge pump. Same thing happened right here. We saw this huge long consolidation for months, and then we saw this massive pump right in just some few days. Same thing is currently happening. We could see this sort of long consolidation and expect some sort of massive pump coming soon right here for YFI, which could see YFI move into that $12 and even the $15 level right there for YFI, right? So as you can see right here, YFI, we could see a massive 43% push to the upside for YFI, and I'll tell you why, right? If we just go even to the other flow to just check the net volume to see what is happening behind the scenes. Net volume currently still at the neutral level, right? We said if volume is in between these blue lines, it basically means net volume is neutral. And so, yeah, we are seeing the bull still in control, but net volume is basically neutral. And so far we are still seeing huge net volume coming in. We could see the bulls coming anytime and pushing this net volume to the upside in favor of the bulls. Currently we are still neutral, but we are still in favor of the bulls, slightly bullish, which could change anytime soon as YFI has that history of a huge consolidation and then massive pump. So even though the net volume is still in favor of the bulls, right? Currently, as you can see, price action wise, we are still expecting for the push to the upside as we are still above our 200 EMA. So that is the update right here on YFI. We are still bullish and we are still expecting higher. And so if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.